Hi there, Tenzi here. Today I wanted to share a granny square with you that is so cute. With the spring coming up, you have to try this one. Look how cute this flower is. And this is without the last row, which is completely optional. The last row makes it a tiny bit bigger. Let's skip to the tutorial. Wrap the tail of your working yarn around the middle finger, insert your hook under it, grab your working yarn and chain 2. We'll do 15 more double crochets into that ring. And we'll have a total of 16 double crochets because we're counting the first chain as well. Once you reach the end, go back to the top of the chain and do a slip stitch so you can close that row. And close your magic ring. Grab your new color and do a slip knot here. Grab your yarn and your project and pick any spot you would like to start from. Do a single crochet here. Pull the tail so you can tighten that first knot and chain 2. And into the same spot we'll do 1 double crochet. So we have a total of 2 double crochets here, and then we chain 1. And then into the next stitch we'll do 2 double crochets together. So we'll do the first double crochet and it will wait on our hook. Then yarn over and we'll do the second double crochet into the same spot and then crochet them together, chain 1, and we'll repeat 2 double crochets into each stitch for a total of 16 groups of 2 double crochets till the end of the round. And once we're done, we finish the round with a slip stitch. You can chain 1 to secure your stitch, and we are going into the next color. If you want your stitches extra secure, go into the back, go through any loop and do chain so you can secure that beginning there, and then just pull it through a few of the stitches so you can hide your yarn. And I do that usually when I want really no ends to show. And when you crochet, you can just crochet on top of it, or I usually also weave that end through the back of the stitches, and then when I crochet on top, they just disappear. Grab your next color and into any spot you like, you do a single crochet, tighten that first stitch there and chain 2, and into that same spot we'll do 3 more double crochets for a total of 4 double crochets. This granny square will be with 4 double crochets in each granny cluster. We'll skip 2 groups of double crochets and we'll create a corner now. Again with 4 double crochets, a chain and 4 double crochets. And I'm going over my tail so it disappears. Chain 1 and 4 more double crochets so we can have a corner. There. And then we'll skip again 2 groups of 2 double crochets from the previous round and we'll have 4 double crochets. And again, we'll be creating a corner. Skipping 2 again, we'll have a corner and we'll have just a group of 4 double crochets all around, and we'll be ending up right over here with another corner. And the last color, We'll be starting again. I'm using gray. We'll chain 2, and we'll be having again 4 double crochets for each granny cluster. So we'll add 3 here, but for the rest of them there'll be 4, because we do count the chain as a double crochet. So into the next space between the granny clusters, we'll do another granny cluster of 4 double crochets. And then in the corner, we'll have again 4 double crochets, a chain, and 4 double crochets. And we'll keep repeating that till the end of the round. And that will be all for this granny square. All we have to do now is to spray it with some water and block it, or you can use your steamer and block it. I also like this size as well, instead of this big one. But we'll see what I'll make from them. I'm thinking of making a bag, or blanket will be really cute because that flower is very, very, very cute. Happy crocheting! Subscribe to the channel.